Hey, how y'all doing? B-Dog Jr. back with you. A little plumbing emergency tonight. I think it's about 2 a.m. now. I was out checking my mail earlier, and I noticed noise over here in the bushes in front of the house. It was my main water line was gushing. Not gushing, but just kind of hissing. And I thought I heard something, so I had to check it out. And I've been noticing the water pressure was a little low lately, so good thing I caught it before it got too bad. Y'all take care. Have a Merry Christmas if I don't see you guys before Christmas. We over and out.